Tonight's premier panel-beating Best Presented Award goes to the oldest car in the series, a 1964 EH Holden, driven by John Hatton with his co-driver Jeremy Sterling.
Well, I've had the car since 1991. I bought it in pieces. It's taken me a long time to get it right, but I can have fun in it these days. I drive the tracks, drive the sprints here. I love it.
And what have you done to this beautiful car?
I built it from scratch and I put a V8 in the front and painted flames on and now I just drive as hard as I can. It's got a 350 Chev and a Ford top loader and 9-inch forward disc brakes. It's got some good lights and new wiring and it's a revamped car. So yeah, it's just a reliable old car. The only thing 1964 is the body now. It's just a 1970s muscle car. So that suits me. I'm a 1971 model.
What kind of other events do you do with it?
I've done Challenge Bathurst, done some super sprints and just some drive days.
Tell me about your co-driver.
Jeremy, he's secretary at the club, at the New South Wales Road Racing Club. So he's come along. President, sorry, yeah. And I've made friends with him. He comes to co-pilot with me, so he gives me a bit of direction and encouragement. Yeah, this is really good.
Jeremy, tell me a little bit about your history in motorsport.
V8 supercars, there was a come and try opportunity, started on a come and try day, and the rest is history. We were hooked. That was 2013, started 2013. We go to super sprints, regularity, hill climbs.
Yeah, you seem to have immersed yourself in it. You're president of your car club now as well.
Yes, yeah, New South Wales Road Racing Club. It's a tough job. It's a great club. It's been around for a really long time, over 60 years.
And where did you learn to be a co-driver?
Here at the Whiteline Tarmac Rallysprint was my first time as a co-driver in John's EH. And never really seen the car apart from a picture, never heard the car. Needed to change my underpants after we took off the first time because it was just putting up to the line and the next minute it was just a wild beast. And all smiles. Every time it smiles it's fun and it's a way to test yourself and improve your times, and it's great to see how your car performs, and this car's a great example.